How you doing, everybody? All right. My name is Clifton Graham Jr. I've been a resident of this great South Suburban community for over 40 years. My parents brought me out here from the south side of Chicago, 39th Street. I've been raised as far as the elementary school, high school, and college. I met my wife in college. Our two kids have finished their education here at Ridge Central and also at Eastern Illinois University. The main thing that I'm running today for is what I campaigned for today, and I also did a caravan march. Not a long list, just one short thing. Property tax relief. Property tax relief. We have the highest property taxes in the country. We have the highest sales taxes in the country. We are putting our local educational system in jeopardy through not only, we're providing only the money that's going for only property taxes to fund our schools. We have asked consistently for our state to bring in money. We're at the bottom of getting money from our state. Every year for the last 12 years, I've been appealing my property taxes, and my property taxes have still went up 43%. We must begin to ask ourselves, what is the plan in this community? What direction are we truly headed? Where's the economic development? Where's the growth for the global world that we're supposed to be developing is coming to our community? The number one key into any community, into any district, is education. We have managed to graduate from high school now, but from that point on, where are we headed? Our community colleges are now focusing on what we need the most: technical training, continuing education. We have been outsourcing what little opportunity we have for our contracts, for our jobs, to other districts. It is time for us to put money back into our community. The resources that we are generating are going outside our community, from the education system to the economic development. Every time we see a project that's being built in this community, you go and see who's working at those jobs. And we're making compensation in the state so they can get TIF money with the local. Then where are the jobs coming from? Why are we not getting those jobs? But what we're getting is, when we go to our job, because most of us don't live in this community, what we get on the toll. And what they do, they raise the tolls, decrease the tolls. So that's a number hit on the South Suburban middle class. That is a big decision everywhere we go. Then we would go visit our family, because I'm from the South Side, and my friends go visit their family on the South Suburban, and the West Side. What are we running to? Red cameras. So the money has hit us directly, where they're trying to get the money from us because of their wasteful spending. They have used our little tax dollars that we're able to generate to pay back their wasteful spending and corruption. We have to have somebody that's going to be accountable for what's going on in our community, or we're going to fail. I have a plan. I have a great plan. I'm working with the school board. I'm working with the community colleges. I'm trying to work with IBM, Microsoft as an individual. I've been in financial banking. I have my own insurance broker. I'm a landlord, a good landlord, a hard landlord, a struggling landlord, however you want to call it. I've been involved in the community as homeowner association board member. I've been from the top to the bottom on people campaigns. I walked the trails of, you're surprised, of the person that I'm running against campaign. That'll tell you why I'm running. I've been involved in the community from the inside, from the grassroots, and I'm here to tell you, if we don't do something now, when Obama brings that package in, we're not going to be prepared. Because right now, our leaders have left us astray. They have deceived us to believe that we are getting all this, when on the other side, when they talked before I got here about the money going on the west side and not coming on the east side, it's been staying on the west side. And now we lost another position where we're losing that leadership that's going to represent on this side of the community. Because we've been bamboozled. And they supposed to have been bamboozled too. So who's running this thing? We need somebody who's going to come directly and be honest with you and tell you the truth. And from experience, my biggest experience is that I've been a resident here for 40 years. I've been a taxpayer. the highest taxpayer. My taxes are $12,000 a year. My neighbor lost their house. Their taxes were $18,000, and they bought the house for $700,000, and they sold the house for $26,000 after they lost it. But nobody's buying it because the taxes are $18,000 a month. That is $18,000 a year. That should bring any state representative eye open and say, well, I know I don't have a community with that type of prayers. Okay? That should wake up any representative, a sales representative, as a sales representative to say, I have to do something about this. I have to market my community to the point where we're going to create something that's going to do something about some changes. And we need that. We need to have new ideas and create changes. And those changes have to be immediate or we're going to be lost. We're not going to be the shining star, we're going to be a down shine. Thank you.